Oh, hi, this is Aina. Good evening, all. As you know, my strategy is MSNR, CRT, and SMC. They are all combined, right? So, here we go. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, for wherever I drop a new update, and you too will be updated. So, follow me till the end of the video. I have a huge secret. That I will be sharing with you on CRT. CRT alone, I have a huge secret I'll be telling you on how I took this high IRR. As I was in the reach to all this very high. I didn't target like 7 is to that I usually do. I target almost 13. I have it before and after of it. So let us clear the chart. Let me show you from the higher time frame how I got everything and what I'm expecting from the market. So from the weekly, what are we seeing? So here's it. I was seeing this week. I don't like this rejection here. So here's a key level that market is rejecting from. So that's what I find in my weekly. Where is the market rejection? I will not mark the key level and any liquidity near it. Here's my liquidity. So on my daily, what I'll be looking is that I'll be looking at for the breakout to tell me that yes, market will be like bullish. Is it long time or short? I'll tell you. So from seeing this is a breakout here, right? So, but this is an what internal breakout, not external. So even now we haven't confirmed that the market will be bullish. So like take this weekly high here. You understand? So market must wipe this. Here is a break of structure, and here is our valid key level, and here is liquidity. So if you are seeing this is a high probability setup, this is a liquidity protecting this key level here. So we didn't know that market is it going to like respect it, give us confirmation, or it will later disrespect the key level. We didn't know. So we have to watch and see. So it is I got this key level. Sorry. This is how I got this key level. My break. So and I consult my 4 hour. So what I did is, as you all know that the MSNR, CRT and SMC, the MSNR, it will help me build my my daily bias, my key level. You understand, right? So that's for weekly, and for daily is daily. I usually find the CRT there. Sometimes you understand. If I got my CRT on daily, 4 hour will be my breakout. So if I got my no, I'll not say this now. So just watch and see. This is my break, right? And here is my another break of structure that waiting for the market to break. And here is my valid liquidity. And I see this, I know that definitely I'll catch some cruise here. So here is a secret that I tell you that I'll be sharing with you. Watch and see. So if I say that I'm going to use this key level like this, the SL will be like huge, and before the valid it must like sweep this low, right? So what I did here is that's my strategy. So when I got my directional bias, I would like be even the 4 hours, I'll be like finding any CRT there. So as you are seeing, this is what CRT low. Let me move this key level aside. This is my CRT low, and this is my CRT high. I didn't even use the high because I know that definitely market must sweep this high here. Yeah. So what I did is when I caught this CRT, when I got this, yes, CRT on 4 hour, I usually consult my 5 minutes for that entry. That is the secret. But if the CRT is on daily, the 4 hour will be breakout, 1 hour for refining and 15 minutes for entry. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, I took the entry. But if it is in 4 hour, I usually go to what? I usually go to 5 minutes to refine the entry here. So here is the CRT. So as you are seeing, we have been what? We have been bearish. We have been bearish here. Countless break of structures. What I'll be looking is what? The breakout though. Here is a breakout, right? This is a breakout. This is a breakout. And the first pullback will be what? Will be my liquidity. So, and this is how I got this. I didn't want to use this apex because I know the spread will not tap me in. So I now mark all the intel of it. So that's how my SL here is small. As I told you, I didn't use this. As you are seeing, I didn't use this, so I target this high here. So guys, how do you see this? This is a secret that I paid for it. I learned, and you are getting here for free. So please try to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for getting more updates on this. So here will be my next target. And as you are seeing, here is what is the liquidity protecting that key level if market will eventually come there. So, and what do you see again? Here is what, as I told you, my CRT on daily, right? This is CRT low. This will be my CRT high. This will be my CRT high. So for 4 hours, I will consult my 4 hour for breakout, right? So here is my breakout here. Here is my breakout, and here is my key level that I'll be expecting market to come there. So and here is my first pullback. That's my liquidity. So I went to 1 hour to refine my entry again and see how the SL is. Into this SL here is too big for me, but as you all know me, I can refine entry, guys. So just be looking at this CRT here, this sell here on Bitcoin, before we look for buys to this key level here. So what do you see on this? Say something on comment section so that I will know what you'll be seeing. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates on Msnr+Crt+Smc.